Hi children, welcome back to your IT class. Do you remember the lesson that we are studying? Yes, fifth lesson. And today we are going to familiarize a new software, Stellarium. Okay. Stellarium software can be opened by clicking Applications, Education, Stellarium. See, this is the window of Stellarium. When you bring the mouse pointer to the left side of the main window, you get the toolbar. And when you bring it at the bottom, the status bar will appear. By a click on the triangles that are seen at the place where the status bar and the toolbar joins, you can fix them on their respective places. Clear? Our first activity is adjusting the location. For that, we are using this tool, Location Window. When we click on this tool, a new window appears. Then type the required place on the location window in the search box. Okay. Then we can see that place in the window. See, a red mark appears here. So here I am searching Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. Now, activity 2, setting the date or time. We can set the date and time using date and time tool. Okay. Now our next activity, observing constellations. Do you know what are constellations? Constellations are group of stars. Okay. These constellations are considered by us as imaginary figures. Okay. Let's observe such constellations using this software. Suppose you want to see the constellation Leo, that is Chingam. So open the search window, then type Leo. Okay, the position of Leo is C. We can zoom using page up, page down keys. Now observe carefully. To see the constellation clearly, click on the constellation lines and constellation art on the status bar. See, this is Leo. It is lion shape. Okay, shape of a lion. You can see a lot of constellations in this beautiful sky. Right. Okay, now let's move to our another activity. Activity, seeing the atmosphere. This is the atmosphere tool. We can use this to see the atmosphere clearly during the daytime. Can't you see the atmosphere here? We move to the next activity, finding the ecliptic line. For finding the ecliptic line, we have to open the tool Sky and Viewing Options window and reach the view window. Now click on Markings. Then from the celestial sphere, select Ecliptic of Date and close the window. Can you see the ecliptic line here? Okay. We can see the constellations in the ecliptic line by clicking CVR at the status bar. Clear? Okay children, it's all about the software Stellarium. Now we will move to another software, Rasmol. It is a software mainly deals with chemistry. Rasmol is a software developed by Roger Sale to observe the three-dimensional structure of molecules. The three-dimensional form of molecules will be shown in different colors in the graphic screen of Rasmol software when we give the basic facts as file input. Usually, extension files named protein data bank or .pdb are given as input. Let's see the software. In order to open it, we have to click on Applications, Education, then Rasmol GTK version. Our activity is to observe the molecular structure of fullerene. For that, click on File menu, Open. Then from the school resources, Standard 9, PDB, we have to open fullerene.pdb. Okay, now we can see the wireframe model of fullerene molecule. This is known as wireframe model. Then click on display menu and click on the option ball and stick. See, this is the molecular structure, that is ball and stick model of fullerene. Okay, this software is mainly used to view the three-dimensional structure of molecules. Clear? Now, if you want to know the number of carbon atoms in fullerene molecule, click on view menu, then command prompt. A command prompt will be appeared on the screen. Then type select carbon. Okay. See, 16 atoms selected. That is, this fullerene molecule contains 60 atoms. Okay. Now, if you want to change the color, type color, then decide color. Here I am giving yellow. See, the molecule gets yellow color. You can give different colors here. Red. See, the color changes to red. Our next activity, observing the molecular structure of diamond and graphite. So, open the files. File open, then open the required file. School resources, Standard 9, PDB, diamond.pdb. Okay, open it. See the structure of diamond. Okay. Now, open the Rasmol software once more and open graphite.pdb. Okay, this is also the wireframe model of graphite molecule. Now, to convert this to ball and stick model, we have to go to display menu and take the option ball and stick. See, this is the ball and stick model of diamond and this is the ball and stick model of graphite. Clear? Now let's compare these two allotropes of carbon. What is the shape of the molecule of diamond? It is three-dimensional network, but the graphite is having hexagonal layers. Okay, it's clear from these figures. Then, what about the combination of carbon atoms? In diamond, one atom of carbon combines with other 4 carbon atoms. But in graphite, we can see that one carbon atom is combined with 3 other carbon atoms. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Though only carbon atoms are contained in diamond and graphite, the configuration of atoms in their molecules are different. This is why their physical properties appear to be different. Okay. It's all about this chapter. Okay, children, in this chapter we have studied 4 softwares: Gplates, GeoGebra, Stellarium and Rasmol. I think all of you understood all these software. Thank you for watching.